Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Yamaha Aventage RX-A2A amplifier receiver and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first reason is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this amplifier not connecting to your devices or not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, or any kind of issues where it's not getting good reception, not working, any things like this can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now you will need to set it up again because everything will be wiped off of it. But that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you want to set this amp up on a new network, on a new stereo system and everything like that, we can just reset it to the way it was when it came out of the box. And it's quite easy to do. We're just going to come in here and hit the menu button. And then from then we can just navigate through the menu. And we're going to navigate from the menu, we're going to go to settings and then initialization. And then from initialization, we're going to select all initialization. And then from there, we're just going to hit execute and everything will be wiped off this amp and it will be like it was when it came out of the box.